the meeting first. Okay. So how many of you are done with this? So you can just respond already. One of your friend has already finished with very less time. Others, what about others? Have you done? Okay, now how many of you are having errors? Just let me know. One more. Roll number 1. Okay, so I'm going to have these records. Okay, so already roll number 43 and roll number 1 have finished. How many of you are having errors? बाकीच्यांचे एरर पण नाहीत आणि प्रोग्राम पण झालेले नाहीत. What I can understood from this. If you are having errors, just put that on the chat window what errors you are having. So if you are not responding, then I need to apply my logic for that. Okay. So roll number 46, Sejal. Sejal Patak. Okay, one more I have found. Roll number 61. Sejal Patak. Are you able to listen me? So if you are having any errors, whatever the issues, plus respond for this, then only this kind of sessions it will be beneficial. Okay. So don't expect that okay, I'm going to give a type of code and you are able to implement that. It is not the case. So this is a simple default constructor program which already we have done, and already I think I have put that on the your group also previously for the constructor. Okay, so I think no, virtual function and inheritance again. Okay, so have you done? Sejal, I think you are done with the program. Can you share your screen? How to share your screen? You all are, I think, familiar with it. So you're having one option that is called as share. You can have a share document or you can share your screen. What is the issue? If anyone is having any errors, so first show me that. Errors जर कोणाच्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये असतील तर share with that first screen. Any one of you.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I want to tell something.
You can start.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, we have internet problem actually. Means we don't have so much of data also, or we don't have Wi-Fi also. So
Okay.
if this will be, this is I think like time waste also, no sir.
Hmm.
Nobody is
For
responding, sir.
no. Why I'm
For
asking?
so much time we need to connect our laptop to our mobile data also, and after lectures also we require some data, no sir.
No. I'm not asking about that. But at least what I want, or why I'm responding or why I'm asking that, because we need to first see the errors, what errors you will be having, and for sharing
But
these
sir,
things.
no one is responding, sir.
No, no,
I
just
think
wait, just wait. Sakshi, you are already done. I'm knowing that. Those who are knowing, for them there is no any issue. Okay, but those who are not knowing or those who are unable to get the things, I want to get the response from them. So that's why I was waiting for a few minutes. Otherwise, you can share. Is it possible for you to share your screen?
yes, sir. Shall I share my
Okay,
screen?
just wait for a moment. I want to see those who are having errors, and if no one is responding, then I have to apply with some different strategy from here after, because I'm expecting that these sessions, it should be interactive session where we'll be free to interact with each other, whatever the issues, whatever the errors, whatever the things that you are having. Because attending the theory sessions, it will be just as a part where you will be not having any active part. But now in these kind of sessions, practical sessions, I want participation from each and everyone. So then only these kind of sessions it will be useful. Otherwise, I'll be just giving a program. You can do that. Some of you do, some of you not do. So that it will be not beneficial. So I'm giving a last request for all of you. Anyone who are having any errors, first show me that. काय एरर कोणालाच नाही आहेत काय सगळ्यांचे प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट होत आहेत. Okay, so from now next onwards, I need to apply with some different strategy. Okay, so Sakshi, you can share your screen.
Okay, sir. Sir, please enable our
Sorry,
participants'
sorry, sorry.
screen sharing.
Sorry, just wait. Already, I think you are having this. Have enabled this option. Now you can check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what first thing that it will comes in your mind when you are given with the problem statement? What you need to have? First, you need to have with the class for you. Then after that, we need to have with the default constructor. So what we can call it as a default constructor, which part it can be set it as a default constructor.
Default constructor is a member function
Yes.
which is executed whenever the object of the class is created,
Create.
and the name of the constructor is same as that of the class.
Right. Class. Now, if it will be possible, if I need to make a changes, that if I need to convert this program to a parameterized constructor, what changes you have to do? Just tell me. So I don't need to do for that. Okay. So whatever that you have done, that is absolutely correct. You are able to get with the output also. We can able to see the output.
Sir, can I change in
Ah, yes, yes,
itself
you can
here
in
itself?
itself. Yes, yes, you can. Okay, get it.
Yes, sir, I got the
Yes,
messages.
yes. So what I want to see everyone, at least I'm not saying that okay, uh, she's doing it well. No doubt she's doing it well, but others at least they should take with the initiative. So at least she is in the position to take the initiative, and she is performing that she can make the changes. So it is not the case only one student he should, or he or she should get the things. So what we need to get with the parameterized constructor, first thing, that we need to have a parameters to be passed. Now where we need to pass, some of you might be feeling that okay, as we are going to have a display method, so with the display method we are going to pass these parameters. So what we want, we need to have a parameters to be a part of your constructor. So when your constructor it will be called, so when your execution it will be start, it will start from main, right? So for the main, as it will be having with, that is ABC as the class name. So now for that object, you can directly pass these values, that it will be taken as a input for these A and B values. And whenever you are going to call, so these values, it will be initialized. Now what about these integer X and Y? Whether these are global or local variable?
X and Y are local variables, sir.
Local variable. So what it will be having, what it is expected that with the help of local variable, it is having a scope up to that class or up to
That
that
that particular function.
function we can say it is okay. So that means what, these only it will be used as a container for holding this value for temporary purpose, and whenever we are going to copy these values in the variable which we are going to use as a part of this class, that will be copied in that. So this X, it will be holding the value as a 10 or whatever that we have passed, which is copied in A, and Y, it is 20, which is copied in B. So same program that you are going to implement it with the help of default constructor, you can convert that into a parameterized constructor. Okay. So what is the important part here, that regarding a constructor, when you are going to call, now you can Sakshi, you have done it well. Okay, so you can just really appreciate with some small period of time also you can make a changes, and where to make a change, that is also important. Okay, thank you. Okay, now what I'm expecting it from these things, because now as here, uh, as you can observe that when you are making a change in the program, you are able to get the errors. So you need to read that errors, and by reading that error, you will be identifying that at which point we should make a changes. So because what is the main task in the programming, that it is not the case that only one person who is doing the program, he is good or she is good in that. But if you try it at your own, and if you'll realize that what errors it will be having, then it is possible for you to correct these errors. Okay, I'm not what we can say it as, you are saying that okay, or you might be feeling that okay, this is our first practical, and in that you are expecting that okay, we should perform this. I'm not expecting that, but at least you should be in the position that you should show with the errors. I've asked twice, thrice, that what errors you are having, what errors you are able to get. Can you share that, or can you, if it is not possible, you can put that on the chat window. Try to get with the errors, or try to have the habit that definitely get the errors. Then only it is possible for you to overcome, or it is creates interest for you to perform the program. Okay, otherwise what it is just a one-way communication. We don't want like that. We should be having with the interactive session, then only it will be beneficial for you. Okay, otherwise this, it will be not a practical sessions, this it will be a theory sessions. Getting it? I'm expecting now from here onwards, whatever the response it should be, it is from all. Okay, should we go with this or we have to change with the strategy? or it is not possible for you to perform that on the system, on mobile or whatever it is. You can do it with the help of mobiles also. There is no any other editors, or if you're not using that, it will be okay. Okay. So what I'm expecting, I need to get with the more number of errors from you. Then only it is possible for you to get the things. Okay. Rahul Yadav,
Yes, sir.
uh, is it possible for you to share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay, good. Okay, so already you are familiar with these terms. Okay, so related with these values. Okay, as you can see this, why I'm showing this, or why I need to, I've asked other participants to share your screen. Okay, you have done it. It is no an issue, but we need to see the differences. Okay, so when you are going to do with the program, so I'm talking it repeatedly that, okay, the way in which you are doing the program, that will be a different way. So that when you are going to perform the program, now here as you can observe this, so he has done, he has created one class for that. Here he have taken with the two variables. Now while taking, or while displaying that, he has done the thing as a part of your program or in the main part. But while, whereas you have seen it for the other participant, he has done, or she has done with the separate method. She has taken with the separate function, display function, and with that she has displayed the things. Okay, so it is, I'm not saying that, okay, that is the wrong or this is correct or whatever it is. Okay, so if you can do with the both ways, so it will be allowed. So when you are going to call for these values, so what is expected, if I need to call these values, or if I need to get the access for this, I need to use with the object. Okay, object dot variable, or data member of that class from which you are going to make the change. Okay, so now for this program, if I'm saying that if I need to convert, so it will be having with the same mechanism you can apply, or you can go with some different methods through which you can convert this program to parameterized constructor. So it can be a possible, right? So you can appreciate for Rahul also, you have done with the good thing. So this is a simple program. Okay, so I'm not expecting that you need to have with some big programs. And so at least whenever you are going to start for the programming, start with some small programs. Try to see with the errors in first attempt. I'm not expecting that you need to see with the output. That is not expectation from your side, but try to get with the errors, try to read these errors, what errors you are having. Okay, good, thank you, Rahul. Now,
Thank you, sir.
so what I'm expecting, that generally when you are doing for the program, definitely you need to get the error, but don't try to stop at that point, because if you will be stopped at that point, then definitely it will be not easy for you to overcome with that fear. So doing hands-on, it will be very interesting part instead of listening the things related with the programming. I'm talking about the specific programming. Okay, now, okay. Now, if we'll come with again with a list or what things that you need to have. So next part for this now, which now here you will be having with the one more part which is including, that is including a default constructor which creates the complex number. Okay, so here we will be having with the complex number program with the constructor. Now, what is the next task? That you need to have with the simple complex number program, and that complex number program we need to do with help of constructor, so that it can be, we are going to see with that. Okay, so first we'll do with the small part of these programs, and we'll assemble it as a part of one big program with which it can done for this. Okay, now related with the operator overloading. Now what is expected to add these two values, to add with these two numbers. Now we need to see with the one more program, or you are supposed to do with that program, that where we'll be having with the operator overloading of plus operator. Now what is expected with the help of operator overloading? That is, we need to have with the plus sign, which will be having a normal regular part or working as for performing addition of two numbers. We need to perform that for concatenation of two numbers. Okay, so here we need to have this add operator, which can be used for performing a concatenation of two complex numbers. Now here I am not asking you for the complex number, but for the same program, just you can now while doing it, what you can do, you can save this as the same. Just you need to convert that with the help of same program for doing it for the operator overloading with the help of plus sign. Okay, so that means what I want now, I want to see with the, or you need to get with the output as 10 and 20, it will be as a one part of a string. Okay, so we need to don't need to perform with the addition, we need to perform with the concatenation of the two string. So what you need to have, so those who are getting the idea what you need to do, you can directly start. Those who are still feeling that okay, they're not knowing what to do, so we'll share with this for them that what you need to get from this. Okay. So I'll show you the small program so that so just wait for a minute. Okay, so those who have got the idea how we are going to do, they can start with the program. Okay, for those who are not getting idea what we need to do, I'll show for them with a small other program, not with the exact the same program.
Sir,
Ah,
please tell once again what we have to do.
okay, so
Your
what we have
voice
to
was
do,
not.
okay, so what we have to do, the program which you have done recently where you need to just displaying the values of a is equal to 10 and a is equal to 20, the same program you have to convert it for operator overloading where we need to get with output as 1020 as a part of one string. Okay, so when you are going to display that value 10 and 20, it should be displayed as in the form of concatenation, not as a part of addition. Okay, with this have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I want to see with the output as 1020 as a one part of a string. Directly don't display with the 1020. Okay, so So what I will do, I will show that, sorry, so I will show that in the form of your whiteboard what we want to get. Okay, so what we want to perform for this, that is, here we are done with the one program for constructor where we'll be having a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So that where we are done with the, we have used with the constructor, either it might be parameterized or default constructor. But there what we are doing, we are displaying as in the output with the same these values. What I want now, with the help of same program, we need to perform this as in the form of getting the output as 1020, where we'll be having with the concatenation of these two variables, not with the help of addition. Okay, so we need to override the plus operator. There, what is the task for this plus operator, which is performing addition of two numbers. Okay, so this it will be a, so I'm having just actual example, but I don't want to directly go with that example for the complex number. So now this time I want to get the answer from some other students also. So what are the two values that you are taking it, or which you have initialized? Just we need to apply the operator as a plus for this both, and you need to show that as output, where you need to have it the. So what things you will be required, just I will give it for this. Okay, so if you have done, anyone has done, you can just put that on the chat window that you have done with this. Okay, so what we need to have for this, we'll take things, parameters that we required. Okay, so what we want in the main, we need to have with the one variable, let's say as a C, which will be having it as plus B, we can say it as, which will be as a operator that will perform with the, not for the addition, but it should display with the, or it should go for the, not exactly addition, but it should perform with the printing for that values. Okay, so for that you can take any function with the, which is display, which will display for these values. Okay, so that it can be a, either which will be a your object also. Okay, or the object which will be holding this value, and with that object, let's say we can say it as O1, and with that object we can call that function, so which will hold these values and that operator. So this, it will be a part of your main, right? So where you will be, either you can now pass these values in the main, okay, or either you can pass these values, because here you can pass these values, and outside for this we'll be having a class with, let's say as a name obj. Okay, so you can give any name for that class. Okay, so here you need to call for that function, operator plus, and for this you're supposed to call for these values. Okay, so this, it will be a normal scenario where you can perform with this. So right. Okay, so this, it will be overall idea for this. So as anyone has done for this, has anyone done for this program? So in the existing program also you can make the changes, or the constructor only. Okay, so we might be having less than 1 minute. So we need to rejoin for this. Let me check whether it is possible for you to rejoin with this. Okay.